Imagine you're lost in the wilderness, no signal, no help in sight. What survival gear would you wish you had? Well, today we're counting down 25 of the coolest new survival gadgets that could literally save your life in 2025. Stick around because number one is something every survivalist needs: fire starter bracelet. Picture yourself stranded in the middle of nowhere, night falling fast, and the temperature dropping. You have no lighter, no matches, but you remember your fire starter bracelet. This sleek yet functional accessory contains a ferrocerium rod that sparks into life when scraped with its built-in striker. With just a few scrapes, a shower of sparks ignites your dry tinder. Within minutes, a warm fire crackles before you, keeping you safe from the cold and any lurking dangers. Emergency sleeping bag. You're caught in a sudden blizzard, the wind howling, snow piling up around you. Hypothermia threatens, but you pull out your emergency sleeping bag. This isn't just any sleeping bag. It's designed with heat-reflective material to trap your body heat, keeping you warm even in extreme temperatures. It folds up small enough to fit in your palm, yet expands to cocoon you in life-saving warmth. As you huddle inside, the storm rages on, but you're safe, snug, and alive. LifeStraw Max. You've been hiking for hours, and your water supply has run dry. Your mouth is parched, but the only available water source is a murky stream. Without hesitation, you pull out the LifeStraw Max. This next-generation purifier instantly removes bacteria, parasites, and even viruses, turning contaminated water into drinkable hydration. As you sip, you taste nothing but pure, clean water. No chemicals, no risk, just life-saving refreshment. The journey continues, your thirst quenched and your survival ensured. Hand crank power bank. Your phone is dead and you're lost. Panic sets in, but then you remember your hand crank power bank. With a few turns of the handle, electricity flows, bringing your device back to life. This gadget isn't just for phones. It can power a flashlight, a radio, or even a small GPS unit. Within minutes, you're able to send an SOS or find your way back on track. No sun, no problem. With this device, you control your own power. Tactical pen with glass breaker. You're trapped in your car after an accident, the door jammed, windows refusing to budge. Every second counts. You reach for your tactical pen with a glass breaker, gripping it tightly. With a single forceful strike, the window shatters, giving you a way out. This isn't just a pen, it's a stealthy self-defense tool, a writing instrument, and a survival necessity. Whether escaping danger or jotting down coordinates, this pen does more than meets the eye. All-weather fire cubes. Rain pours down relentlessly, drenching everything in sight. You need fire, but everything is soaked. That's where all-weather fire cubes come in. You take one out, strike a match, and despite the downpour, it catches fire instantly. It burns hot and long, allowing you to dry out your wood and get a full fire going. Whether you're in a storm or high winds, these little cubes ensure you always have the warmth and cooking ability you need. Solar-powered flashlight. Night falls and your regular flashlight dies, but you don't panic. You pull out your solar-powered flashlight, a lifesaver that recharges itself during the day. No batteries needed, just sunlight. With a bright LED beam, you navigate through the dense woods, finding your way with ease. Even if you're stuck for days, as long as there's daylight, you'll always have light at night. This gadget is a must-have for anyone who ventures into the wild. Tactical survival shovel. You need to dig, chop, saw, and hammer, but carrying all those tools isn't practical. Enter the tactical survival shovel. This isn't just for digging. It's an axe, a saw, a bottle opener, and even a fire starter. You're out in the wilderness, and with one tool, you can build shelter, clear debris, or even defend yourself if necessary. Compact yet mighty, this is the Swiss Army knife of survival shovels. Mini survival stove. You're in the backcountry and you need to cook, but you have no gas or charcoal, no problem. You unfold your mini survival stove, toss in a few twigs, and light it up. Within moments, you have a stable flame, perfect for boiling water or cooking a hot meal. Lightweight and efficient, this stove lets you carry fuel in nature itself, ensuring a warm meal no matter where you are. Self-heating food packs. Imagine you're deep in the wild, exhausted and hungry, but there's no firewood in sight. That's where self-heating food packs come to the rescue. With just a little water, These packs use a chemical reaction to heat up your meal in minutes. No fire needed. You rip one open, and the comforting aroma of a hot meal fills the air. Whether it's stew, rice, or pasta, a warm meal can boost morale and energy, making all the difference in survival situations. Compact emergency tent? The wind howls and dark clouds loom overhead. A storm is brewing and you need shelter. Fast. Enter the compact emergency tent. Weighing less than a pound, this tent expands into a full-sized survival shelter in seconds. Made from weather-resistant material, it shields you from rain, wind, and even snow. You crawl inside, securing the entrance, and within moments, you have a sturdy refuge. Lightweight and packable, this tent is a lifesaver for any adventurer. Survival fishing kit. Stranded near a lake, hunger gnaws at you. You spot fish swimming below, but how do you catch them? That's where the survival fishing kit steps in. This pocket-sized kit comes with hooks, line, sinkers, and even a tiny rod. Everything needed to reel in a fresh meal. You drop the line in, wait patiently, and soon you're pulling in dinner. Whether by river or sea, this compact kit ensures you'll never go hungry in the wild. Ultralight first aid. Kit. A nasty cut from a sharp rock starts to bleed fast. An infection is a real risk. Luckily, you've packed an ultralight first aid kit. Inside, you find antiseptic wipes, bandages, pain relievers, and even a tourniquet for serious wounds. You clean and dress the injury in minutes, preventing further complications. Compact yet packed with essentials, this kit is non-negotiable for any survivalist, ensuring small wounds don't turn into life-threatening problems. Multifunction compass. Navigating unfamiliar terrain is tricky, and one wrong turn could leave you completely lost. That's why a multifunction compass is a game changer. More than just a standard compass, this one includes a built-in thermometer, magnifier, and even a signal mirror. You check your bearings, confirm your direction, and avoid wandering in circles. If rescue is needed, the mirror flashes light to distant search teams. A simple but powerful tool, this compass keeps you on track. Portable water desalinator. Lost at sea, surrounded by endless water, but none of it drinkable. With the portable water desalinator, that changes. This handheld device removes salt and impurities, turning seawater into fresh, drinkable water. Within minutes, you're sipping hydration instead of succumbing to dehydration. Whether stranded on an island or sailing long distances, this device is a must-have for any survival scenario near the ocean. Carbon fiber survival knife. A knife is one of the most valuable survival tools, but imagine one that's ultra-light, ultra-strong, and never rusts. That's the carbon fiber survival knife. You use it to cut wood, prepare food, and even defend yourself if necessary. Unlike traditional steel knives, this one remains razor-sharp for longer and weighs almost nothing. With a sturdy grip and durable blade, this knife is an adventurer's best friend. Emergency whistle with LED signal. You've fallen and injured your leg, unable to move far. Shouting won't help, but your emergency whistle with LED signal can. This 120 decibel whistle is loud enough to be heard from miles away, and the built-in LED light sends out distress signals in the dark. Rescuers can pinpoint your location quickly, potentially saving your life. Small but mighty, this tool ensures you're never truly alone in an emergency. Freeze-dried survival. Food pack. Imagine carrying food that lasts for 25 years and only needs water to prepare. That's the power of freeze-dried survival food packs. Lightweight yet packed with essential nutrients, these meals ensure you're never without sustenance, even in extreme conditions. Whether it's scrambled eggs, pasta, or beef stew, these packs provide delicious, life-saving calories when needed most. Inflatable solar lantern. Night falls and visibility drops to zero. Your inflatable solar lantern is the answer. A few puffs of air, and it expands into a glowing light source. Powered by the sun, it never needs batteries. Perfect for camping or emergency situations, this lantern is waterproof and collapses flat when not in use. Whether navigating at night or setting up shelter, it ensures darkness is never an obstacle. Camouflage thermal. Blanket. A survival situation demands warmth and stealth, and the camouflage thermal blanket delivers both. Designed to retain 90% of your body heat, it keeps you warm in freezing temperatures. Meanwhile, its camo design blends into natural surroundings. making it ideal for hunters or those evading detection. Whether keeping warm or staying hidden, this blanket is a multi-use survival tool. Solar hand warmers and power bank. Frostbite is a real danger in the cold, but the solar hand warmers and power bank tackle two problems at once. These rechargeable warmers keep your hands toasty, while doubling as a power bank for charging devices. Whether battling the winter chill or keeping your phone alive, this gadget is a lifesaver in harsh environments. Tactical belt with hidden knife. You're in a tight situation and you need a blade fast. Your tactical belt with a hidden knife is your best bet. It looks like an ordinary belt, but a discreet pull reveals a sharp, durable blade. Whether cutting rope, opening packages, or self-defense, this belt is the ultimate stealth survival tool. Floating dry bag. Backpack. Crossing a river with electronics and supplies, no worries. The floating dry bag backpack keeps everything dry and doubles as a flotation device. Durable, waterproof, and buoyant. It ensures your essentials stay safe, whether caught in rain, rapids, or deep waters. Survival drone with GPS. A drone that does more than capture footage, the survival drone with GPS delivers. This compact device can send live video, drop emergency supplies, and signal rescuers with flashing lights. In survival situations, it's your eye in the sky, giving you an aerial advantage when needed most. AI-powered survival. Watch. At the top of our list, the AI-powered survival watch does it all. It tracks your vitals, sends distress signals, monitors the weather, and even suggests survival strategies. In the wild, information is power, and this watch gives you everything you need to stay alive and find your way back to safety. Which one would you take on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more awesome survival gear reviews. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.